All right, we are going to start with our cute, adorable little cow tag earrings. We are using the cow clay for these. The first step, I usually will coat my clay in UV resin. That way I can minimize bubbles on my blank. So put a little bit of UV resin in a silicone cup, and then we're going to add some of our fun little cow clay to that. There we go. And then I'm going to stir that up. That way it can be nice and coated. It'll allow any air bubbles to get to the top. Perfect. And then we're going to go ahead and take off the little scraping tool. You can use a weeding tool, whatever you have handy. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of take off one side of the protective coating here. And we're going to do that on each earring. Like that. All right, so now we are going to go ahead and just roughen that surface up with a little piece of sandpaper. And just for fun, I am going to add a little bit of clear iridescent sparkly glitter to this, just to give it a little something. Not a lot, but just a little something. So I'm going to use Mr. Snow Jangles. I'm gonna add a little bit of heat in case there's any bubbles in there. And then just a tiny bit, just to give it a little bit of sparkle. There we go. Add that in. We're gonna stir that up. These are gonna be so cute. Perfect. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and start adding this to the blank. And you can place them if you want to, if you are meticulous, or you can just add it to the blank and start moving it around. The trick is just making sure you have enough resin on the blank to go from the middle to the edge. So we're going to go ahead and spread that around. So now that I have my cows kind of spread out and I have resin all the way to the edge here, I am going to go ahead and mix up a little bit more resin with a little bit more glitter, and then we'll finish off the top of this blank. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Cute. Okay, so once we have that done, you can either use a lighter or a blowtorch and just a couple quick clicks just to get rid of any surface bubbles that might come up while mixing in your glitter. And then we are going to go in with the Magic Cure lamp. And we are going to do at the lowest wattage. So we're going to start at 6. And we're gonna go ahead and do 60 seconds, and I'm just slowly gonna bump that wattage up. And what that's gonna do is help it to cure slowly, but achieve a really beautiful finish. So it's starting at 6, we're gonna slowly bump it up, and then we will end it at 24 watts, and it will be completely cure. All right, so let's take our lamp out of the way. These look so cute. Now you can do a top coat on them if you want to. You certainly do not have to. It's completely up to you how much of a domed, curved look you want to it. But then all you have to do is take that protective backing off. And this is just a little acrylic blank scraper tool. So it's literally just like a sharp plastic to help you get that protective backing off. And then we're going to put them together, but they're so cute. Now, typically with something like this, if you don't want to dome the back, you can just leave it like this and do it this way. This is super cute as well, but it all depends on what you want. The clay is double-sided, So don't feel like you have to do it, but certainly if you would like to. I will probably go back and do it after the fact, but this is super cute. These are so cute. Okay, so now that you have that done, we're gonna go ahead and take our jump rings and we are going to assemble these earrings. All right, so we're gonna take our jump rings and I'm gonna open it and I'm going to put the earring through here and then put my hook on and then close that jump ring up like that. There's one earring. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And now we're going to do the same exact thing with the other one. And then close that bad boy up. And there's our first project.